What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be continuing our 5 days of Minecraft. In today's video we're going to be doing a Minecraft chicken. Let's get stuck in to the video. Okay, so for this chicken, first of all we are going to do the beak. So we're just going to make sort of oval, like a oval shape, and then stick a line all the way through the middle just to show where the top bit is and the bottom bit. And then on top we're just going to put two little eyes. And then I'm just going to draw in the light bit. And then I'll cut a little triangle out just to give it some form. What's the bit of the chicken called under his neck? Cat. The gobble gobble bit. Yeah. Right, so next we're going to do the gobble gobble bit underneath his beak. I'll find out what that's called in a minute. And then his head, we're just going to go up over his eyes and then round to that gobbly bit. And then go underneath that and then rejoin it up just next to his beak. It's called a wattle. 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 Okay, and then we're just going to put a wing in, so it's nice and rounded nearer to his head, and it's going to go to a point as it goes out. And then his other wing. And then for his body, it's going to point up above where the wing is. And then cut back into the wing. And then from the other side, it's going to swoop down and then just join back up to the wing. Okay, for his little feet, I'm just going to do one straight down. I'm just going to cut it off with a little circle, and then I'm going to give him like flippery feet, because in Minecraft they don't really have claws, they've got more like duck feet. And then I'll just join his leg up to the other foot. Okay, for the next bit I'm going to use a different pen just so it's a bit thinner. And we're just going to add a few little bits just to make him look a bit more Minecrafty, because in Minecraft they're not just a flat colour, they're made up of sort of pixely blocks, aren't they? So we're just going to add a few lines in just so we can add a little bit of extra blocks of colour. You can put them exactly where I have, but you don't have to. You can pop them in wherever you like. And when I colour it, I'll colour his body in one colour, and then these little blocks will be a different colour. I'll put a couple in the wattle. So there he is, and then this is what he looks like coloured. Okay, I hope you enjoyed the videos. If you like that, don't forget to give us a like and subscribe. Also, you can go down into the description and check out my website if you want to download this picture. Okay, see you next time.
Peace.